fractions. For example, we have one apple and we need to share between two persons. Now, what we'll do generally, we'll make it two halves and each one get only half of the part. This half is called a fraction of whole. This half is called a fraction of whole. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of the whole. Let us see one more example. In this circle, I divided into 4 equal parts and I shade only this part. What is the fraction of the part I shaded? Among 4 parts, I shaded only one part. Therefore, the fraction is 1 by 4. If I shade one more part, then the fraction is 1 by 2. If I shade one more and the fraction part is 3 by 4. If I shade this part, that is 4 by 4 is equal to 1, that is whole. A fraction is nothing but a part of the whole. Fraction is nothing but a part of the whole. It is in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0 and a comma b are natural numbers or whole numbers. Remember, fraction never be in negative. Fraction never be in negative. Minus 2 by 3 is not a fraction, whereas 2 by 3 is a fraction. What is the main difference between a fraction and a rational number? Sorry, excuse me. What is the difference between a fraction and the rational numbers? Both are in the form of a by b, but in fractions, a comma b are whole numbers. B is not equal to 0, but in rational numbers, a, b are integers. Maybe rational numbers may be positive or negative. Minus 2 by 3 is a rational number and 2 by 3 is also a rational number. But minus 2 by 3 is not a fraction. From this we can conclude that all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fractions. 7 by 9 is a fraction as well as a rational number. Minus 7 by 9 is not a fraction, it's just a rational number. That means all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fractions. We must remember that fractions never be negative. Fractions never be negative. In fraction we have two parts. This part is called numerator and this part is called denominator. The upper portion is called numerator and the below portion is called denominator. Now we'll discuss the types of fractions. First one, decimal fractions. If the denominators of the fractions are 10 or powers of 10, such kind of fractions are called decimal fractions. For example, 25 by 10, 37 by 100, 91 by 1000. Observe, if the denominators are 10 or powers of 10, this 10 square, 10 cube, 10 power 4 and so on, such kind of decimals are called, such kind of fractions are called decimal fractions. "85 by 100", this is a decimal fraction. This decimal fraction we can convert into the decimals. How? As we learn in previous classes, in denominator we have 100. That means after the 100, after the 1 we have 2 zeros. If you want to remove this denominator, let us keep the decimal point before 2 digits. We have only 2 digits in the numerator, that's why its value is 0.85. 725 by 100. Again, we have 2 zeros in the denominator. Therefore, the decimal point will come after the 2 digits from right to left, that is 7.25. 81925 by 1000. In 1000 we have 3 zeros. Therefore, the decimal point will come after the 3 digits from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Its value will be 81.925. After the decimal point, the digits may not called as 925. It is 925. Common fractions. If the denominators are not 10 or powers of 10, such kind of fractions are called common fractions or vulgar fractions. Vulgar fractions like 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 10 by 6. Such kind of fractions are called common fractions, where denominators are not 10 or powers of 10. Such kind of fractions are called common fractions or vulgar fractions. Next one, third point, proper fractions. If the denominators of the fractions are more than the numerator, such kind of fractions are called proper fractions. Once again, the denominators of the fractions are greater than the numerator, such kind of fractions are called proper fractions. 5 by 7. Observe, 7 is greater than 5. 3 by 5. 5 is greater than 3. 9 by 11, 11 is greater than 9. Is 12 by 7 is a proper fraction? No. Why? 7 is not greater than 12. Therefore, 12 by 7 is not a proper fraction. Now, such kind of fractions are also called as improper fractions. Now, let us discuss about improper fractions. The fourth point. Improper fractions. If the numerator of the fraction is more than the denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. The numerator of the fraction is more than the denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction, like 9 by 4. Observe, 9 is more than 4. 12 by 7. 12 is more than 7. 20 by 3. 20 is more than 3. All these fractions are called improper fractions. Improper fractions. Next type of fraction is mixed fraction. A fraction consists of both rational part and improper part is together is called mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? A fraction is a combination of both whole number and a fractional part. Such kind of fraction is called a mixed fraction. That is 1, 2 by 3. This is a mixed fraction because y is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fraction. Therefore, in a mixed fraction, we can have both whole number part and the fractional part. Together is called a mixed fraction. 3, 7 by 9. Again, it is also a mixed fraction. 3 is a whole number, 7 by 9 is a fractional form. 4, 5 by 4. Here, the numerator never greater than the denominator. Again, we can convert this one into the mixed fraction. This form is not correct. We must observe that the numerator of this fraction must be less than the denominator. This 5 must not be greater than the 4.